One of the interesting things about dishwashers is that you can't look at one and know how well it's going to clean. You really need to see it in action, and that's exactly why we test them in our labs. When you're shopping for a dishwasher, there are some features you can and should look for. One thing you want to pay attention to is rack design. You want to see how many adjustable features there are, like fold-down tines, which allows you to fit more and different kinds of dishes in the racks. Upper racks are sometimes height adjustable to make sure that they can fit the dishes you actually have at home and that you use the most. Sometimes you'll get a third rack, which gives you a little more space. They're usually for cutlery and other large utensils or small or flat items. Something you might want to prioritize when you're shopping for a dishwasher is one with a soil sensor. Most dishwashers these days come with soil sensors, and they detect the level of soil on your dishes so they can adjust the cycle accordingly. And so a good machine with the soil sensor and that cleans effectively means that you can put your dishes in without pre-rinsing and take them out completely clean. One feature that our lab testers have noticed can be helpful is a door that automatically opens at the end of a cycle. So that lets the steam out, lets fresh air in, can help circulate and dry the dishes better. You'll see more and more dishwashers these days that have Wi-Fi connectivity, which basically means that you can control the dishwasher from your phone with an app. That's a nice-to-have feature. You can try playing around with it, but unless you're someone who really likes tinkering with your products and customizing cycles down to the very last detail, it might not be worth going out of your way for it. The most energy-efficient dishwashers will have an Energy Star from the Department of Energy and the Environmental Protection Agency. And at Consumer Reports, we also have our own designation called Green Choice, which means that a dishwasher not only uses a limited amount of water and energy, but it's also made sustainably. So most kitchens that are built to accommodate appliances, and dishwashers specifically, are built to accommodate a dishwasher that's 24 inches wide and 24 inches deep. But if you don't have a space already built out, or you have a smaller kitchen, you can look at 18-inch dishwashers. There are fewer of those on the market, but you can find ones that perform well. The sweet spot we've found is really between $500 and $1,000. In that price range, you'll find features that you really want and that will make a big difference, like a stainless steel tub. You'll find flexible rack options, but you won't be spending a ton of money for features that you won't necessarily use.